Hi guys, Tammy Hechtel here. We're going to take a close-up look at a buffet arrangement that I also have as a complementary piece to the dining room. And it's really pretty simple. It is again a center swag, just like we used in the dining room. So it's that same general idea, except here there's only one. And the height emphasis in this design is actually at the end. So these are vases and just kind of some decorative bottles that I normally have on this display. So I've just incorporated them into this fall scene, and I've also added in some of these big, beautiful, glittery pumpkins. And then as we did in the table arrangement, these are pine cones, but instead of the gold ones we use, these have copper. So we're just continuing to mix up those metallic elements. And we also talked about the fact that I had a floral arrangement that had these leaves in them. Now they needed to be sort of revamped and re-energized, so we spray painted them gold, added some additional glitter to them, and then they've been cut up and just placed and filling in just different holes. And that's the great thing when you do something like this. If you have a piece that maybe is sticking out that isn't particularly attractive, you can chuck some of these things in and cover all that up and create your own really beautiful design as well. So I hope this is just a quick video to give you a look at another idea that might help you and inspire you. Please subscribe to my channel or join me on my blog, DesignDecorDIY.com, where I share other great decorating and do-it-yourself ideas that can help you create the home that you love. Thanks for joining me.